All right, guys. We in this video we're gonna go ahead and take care of Civic. We're replacing the window trim because her old window trim is deteriorated. As you guys can see, completely rotted the whole way around. It basically matches the whole way around on all four sides. So anyways, she's now laying out the trim, so we know which door they go to and so on and so forth. What you got? If you want, just start taking out of the packaging. Oh, here we go. Here's a little bit of identification right here. Got a little tab. You got that right there. So this could be for the passenger side front. And probably the shorter one.
Until I got looking at them.
Oh, okay.
And I'll show you why I say what I say.
Okay.
Because there's tab there, tab there.
One's rather long, it's much longer than the other one then. Okay, I get it. So this is probably going to be for the passenger side front. Or
this is it's got to be a
the
passenger
rear
side back.
Yeah.
This is the curvature for it.
Is it?
Yep.
Good deal. Okay, now put that on top.
Nippy.
And obviously that's off to the side. I'll just open at the end. There you go. Good deal.
This has got to be.
It's just the air compressor.
See, then this has got to be the passenger side front because the nub on the front ones is on the back end towards the door handle, not towards the mirror.
Okay.
So this is passenger side front.
All right. When I was looking at it earlier, it looks like a portion of it
goes up and
goes,
up there. You just slide in and out.
Yeah, up in there.
So
slide in and out.
That is the passenger side front.
All right. So that's good.
And another thing to note with these, you have a plastic covering on your front ones.
Yeah, that we're just going to remove. Yeah, that we'll remove after.
Back ones. That's something I've come to realize with those. So this has got to be the driver's side front.
Process of elimination.
I would like to think.
Looks like it. That could be.
Maybe.
Pull it up to it. That might do it.
No, because there's a clip in the front and on the back.
Oh, that's for the back. There we go. Let's get a little curvature. All right. And these parts here, the trim that we picked up, it's actually, we purchased off Amazon. I'm going to go ahead and put the link in the description.
Yep. This one's this one.
All right, we'll go ahead and remove it then. This is your car.
And just to clarify, there is normally a clip in here that you have to push in to get it to release, but we have it has kindly broken off. I'm going to need the red. Get my finger back there behind.
Get it from the bottom. The bottom.
I am.
Flip it around. Flip it around. Okay. Flip it around. There you go. Good deal. Nicely done.
And then
it just slides on out.
Exactly. You don't have to remove the mirror to take it off.
Ooh. Oh, yeah, buddy. That one goes in about maybe 1/4 of an inch.
Yeah, and what I mean by melting and dilapidated, dry rotted, and it's gummy. So it's, if someone says that their trim is melting, believe them.
All right, well, let's just see here. Anything else damaged wrong here?
Before I even put these on,
what?
I'm going to take just a rag and wipe that. So,
yeah.
At least while it's off, get the nasty yuck off of it. We may have a problem.
What's that?
It doesn't want to fit under there. It's too wide.
Okay. Let me see it. Hold the camera. All right, so.
This is going to go over the door.
It's not too wide at all. It fits like a glove. Would you look at that?
Maybe it was just the angle I was at, which is highly possible.
There you go. I didn't push it in for you, so if you want, you can take the honors to make it click. Just press it down. Oh! Oh! Did you hear that? That sounds nice. That sounds really nice. I heard that clip, that crisp click. I'm not gonna lie, that actually sounded pretty good.
Nice. No cracks, no melted, no sticky. Okay. One thing I have noticed.
What?
On the back pieces, there's not just a clip down at one end, but on both.
Okay.
So
that's probably mean you just have to click it off both sides then.
It's probably gonna break off from the door.
Do it the other way. If it breaks off, it breaks off. There you go.
Yeah, broke that one too.
Yeah, it was broken to begin with. Well, not broken to begin with, but it's old and like trashed up anyway, so it's not like it really matters.
Snapped right there.
The only downfall about it is now we got those broken pieces in the door, but we'll resolve those another day.
What's your famous saying? Oh, just turn it up louder. You won't hear it.
That's a different story. If you're seriously listening to your engine knocking or you got your wheelbarrows screaming at the top of their lungs, you're doing 60 down the interstate, then you don't turn your radio up. You get that shit taken care of.
I know.
In this case, I approve of a radio turning up.
Gooey trim.
There's nothing gooey but the trim.
No, it's the rubber that was on the bottom side where those clips are. It's kind of tacky to the paint there, which is fine. This thing's got to get washed and waxed anyway. Needs a clay bar taken to it, but I'm not experienced in that.
We'll do that later this year.
But
once I get the awning put up and everything else at the house.
Right. These are where those clips slide into that broke off on the old one. So the front one has two little ones. So it's going to be a bigger slot and a littler spot. Now this is the new one.
I'm guessing with the newer ones, maybe they could just be put straight down.
Kind of. You still got to kind of roll it to get the clip over the back of where the...
Go ahead and do it then. Ooh. Ooh, I just like to see. Listen for that click.
That front one clicked, the back one didn't.
I hear.
But it's on, and I don't want to pull too much on the new trim.
Let's just call it on. But again, hold on. Let's see if we can actually, wait. Yeah, I'd say it's done. It's on there.
One side done.
Pull straight. Pull straight. There you go.
Ew. Ew.
Yeah.
Yummy. And for those people that sit there and say trim can't melt, it certainly can melt.
Yeah, it's fatiguing, like disintegrating, dry rot.
It's gummy. That's why I say it.
All right.
perfect example of what I was talking about the two where you've got the clips on the back where you have 1 and 2, and you only have one up front. This is the other nub where it sits in. That little piece right there sits in that. Tiny little piece. No, this needs to come off before I slide it in there. I don't know why one came with it and none of the others did. That's kind of odd to me, but
Oh, well.
that's sticky.
That stuff's already going away on it, too. How's it feel?
A lot better than the other one, I can tell you. All right, it should line up like this. When you roll it in, you got to make sure this clip is behind the metal of the door. Click. Get my fingers behind it. Yeah, it was already broke.
Oh, okay.
Go figure, the one that was already broke to begin with would be on the child's door.
Huh. I just not thought of that. Well, I might get finished putting the last piece on there.
Again, make sure you've got your clips lined up.
Hold on.
Make sure everything's lined up.
My advice, open up the door. Because you see, this is already, there you go. Because that part was already hitting this. You don't want that head to hang up.
Click.
Ooh, I heard that click.
And I don't think the back make that noise because it's so compressed there. It's on.
All right. Yeah, it's on there. Good deal. All right. Now go ahead and do a quick walk around on it.
So both driver side and passenger side are done. And I didn't do really a before and after, but as you can tell, they were pretty much destroyed.
Ha!
Yeah. All right, so
Yep, that's good. Trash.
don't mind my car. It is dirty. It needs a bath. On this side. But yeah, that's simple. And just to note again, you do not have to. Oh, that was my.
I got it.
My fault. Just to note, you do not have to take your inside door panels off. You don't have to remove any kind of wiring. You don't have to remove your side view mirrors. None of it. It's just as simple as getting the clips undone in their places. With the front one especially, it only has one clip because part of it just slides in and out from under the mirror right over there. And that's about it. So, a lot better.
I think it looks really good.
It looks a lot better.
Nice.
Like I've said multiple times. But next steps as far as like body cosmetic wise, I'm gonna
That even feels better.
get something to bring these back to life, whether it's like a cover sticker or something that
I think it's a
make
sticker.
for these here. Eventually the chrome is gonna go bye-bye. Just little fixes here and there. So yeah, it's simple
And cheap.
and very cheap.
I think it's like
I don't know how much it costs because
40
the
bucks
trim
off
piece,
Amazon.
the trim pieces were a Christmas present. So,
I think it was 40
Quick,
bucks off
simple.
Amazon.
and it didn't take us, what, not even 20 minutes, if that, to do all 4 door trim pieces. So,
Easy peasy.
yep. Well, that is it for this one, you guys. Like this video, share, follow, subscribe. We are also on TikTok. You can follow us there. We'll see you next time.
Peace.